Ayan, narito tayo ngayon sa St. Andrew. At itong nakikita nyo na may karsada, ito yung phase 1. Yun, yung may backhoe naman. Ayan, lipat natin. Yun, yung may backhoe, nandun yung phase 3. Yan yung phase 3. Ayan. And phase 2, yung may mga graba. So bago nagkaroon ng road itong phase 1, sold out na. Kaya ngayon, ang good opportunity with a minimum cut ng lot na 102 square meter, pwede kayong kumuha 2, 3 lote dito sa phase 3 and 2 dahil di magtatagal, maso-sold out na to. It's a good investment kung naghahanap kayo ng residential. It's a good investment kung naghahanap kayo ng future income opportunity for real estate investment. See you here. At ito ay available din through Pag-ibig Financing.